Okay, good morning. Welcome to Where's My Tea, where you send me your issues or dilemma and I give you an advice. If you hear echo in my room, it's because I'm moving, so everything is like taken down. But let's just get right into it. It's kind of long, but I'm going to read it kind of fast, so just keep up with me. It says, I've been married for going on 6 years and we have 2 kids. We met in the military. He was my first boyfriend, the first guy to ever show me any attention, and the only man I have ever been with since then, my whole life. Ever since we've been married, there have been certain things I would ask for him to take me on a cruise for my birthday. He hasn't done it. I would ask him to be romantic because as it stands, we have sex maybe once a year. He hasn't been more romantic at all. He says he's okay with not having sex. I asked him for other things, and pretty much the point is he just doesn't do it. And then we talk about why, and he says he's sorry and that he would do better, but he says it every year, and now it's just a repetitive cycle. He finally admitted that he doesn't want to do it because it's just too much work. I want more romance and attention, but not from him because he has shown that he doesn't want to give it. I was searching. I even went on dating apps to find what I wanted, and of course, nothing ever happened with any dude. I never even met any of them in person. I even told my husband about all of it, and he says he's okay with it. But it's all another repeat of him saying he would do better and him not do anything. He even gave me a pass to have sex with anyone I want because he felt bad that he isn't giving me what I need. I haven't used the pass, and to be honest, I don't know if I will. I also think it's weird that he seems to be okay with it all, and it makes me wonder if he's cheating. I asked him, and he said no. My question is, what in the world should I do with him? What should I do with this situation? Honey, where is my tea? We got water today. All right, let me just give y'all a recap. We have a girl who's been married to a husband for 6 years now. First guy she's ever been with. She's lacking some things in a relationship like romance and attention. She's complained to her husband over the course of the years. He says he's going to do better. He has not. He's actually given her a pass, telling her that she can have sex with anyone she wants because he understands he isn't providing her what she needs. And he actually just admitted it's just too much work. She hasn't used the pass. She's been on dating sites. She's not even sure if she wants to use the past, but in this situation she just wants to know what to do with him. Sus. Okay, I guess I'm a little confused. You guys have been married for 6 years. I understand you got 2 kids, but I'm just trying to figure out, when did he become not the guy you were not interested in? Like, did you notice that in year 1? Did you notice that in year 2? Did you notice that? Like, when did you notice that? It seems for one that you guys may have just rushed into marriage before even knowing each other fully. We can't change that you guys rushed into marriage, but I guess I just don't understand. Like, sometimes we have to realize this. There's a lot of faults when it comes to relationships. A lot of people feel like they can change a person, or a lot of people feel like they're going to change over time, or they feel like if I change, then they'll change, or honestly, sometimes people are just who they are, and there's not really ways that we can mold them to be exactly what we want. And it seems that your husband was always this way, and I think if you noticed that, you thought that maybe he would just eventually change, and he's just not that person. Automatically, I'm assuming like this dude cheating, something ain't right. But there's another side of the spectrum. You said you asked him, he's not cheating. So, okay, he may not be cheating, but just to look on the other side, I'm assuming that maybe this just isn't him. Maybe he just isn't the guy that is going to wine and dine on women. You have to keep in mind, there's men out here like that. And it seems like you guys didn't have time to really figure out that dynamic. And that's a little weird that he gave you a pass. I'm not understanding this whole pass thing. I just don't see why in a marriage someone think it's okay to give a pass. Not only that, you found yourself on dating websites. You find yourself looking for love elsewhere. And see, what happens is you find love elsewhere, you get caught, and you blame it all on the other person and say, well, I told you what I needed and you didn't give me what you want. Well, at the end of the day, sis, you still married. So either, why not, if this man is not who you want, build up the strength. Let's go before you waste more of your time and your life being unhappy, instead of just cheating on somebody and thinking that's the easy way out. The value of marriage is so, what's that word, depreciated? Like, there's no value there. Like, I just don't understand this whole marriage thing and what people really see it as today. I don't want to say that your husband is cheating because, again, I really don't know. It seems to me that you think, I don't know. Do you think that he's cheating and maybe you're sticking around? Like, I just don't get it. I mean, for my husband to willingly give me a pass and I ask him if he's cheating and he say no, it's kind of like, to you, if he is cheating, you probably, what I'm sensing is, if he is cheating, you wouldn't care too much because that gives you more reason to do whatever. It's kind of like, what's understood don't have to be explained, or if I don't ask, I don't know. One of those situations, and I could be totally wrong, but again, that's the option I'm just going to weigh in. So you ask me, what's your advice? What should I tell you to do? Sis, the man is not the man that you wanted. Are you going to continue to waste your life trying to pull teeth with somebody who knows what you want and has blatantly said, I'm not going to give you that. I'm not the one to give you that. What do you do then? I mean, the ball is really in your court. But my advice to you is, I don't think you should just go cheat on your husband because he gave you a pass, not saying you're going to use it, and or you just stick around waiting for something to happen. Like, come on, that's a waste of time, and it's just too much. All right, y'all. For one, tell me, you guys heard these passes? Like, tell me your opinion on that. What do you think to the girl? I mean, do you think her husband is cheating? Do you think she kind of sees this as an opportunity to cheat? What would be your advice to her? Leave all your comments and your opinions down below. Again, if you have an issue or dilemma and you need advice on it, send me an email and maybe one day your story may be featured on Where's My Tea. My email can be found in the top and the bottom of the description box. And that's just it. I will see you guys next week.